With REIT Week 2011, NAREIT's Investor Forum right around the corner, the latest issue of REIT Magazine looks at some of the new approaches to retirement planning and how REITs are helping to build a better nest egg. One such new approach is notable for its simplicity. BYU Professor Craig Israelsen, the author of 712, a Diversified Investment Portfolio with a Plan, which is an easy-to-read book intended to help individuals plan for their retirement. In Israelsen's plan, he lays out 7 broad asset classes which contain 12 actionable investments, with one of them being REITs, which are all weighted equally. I'm with Alan Kenny, REITs managing editor. Alan, in this issue of the magazine, you also wrote a feature that focused on this new era of retirement planning. What did you uncover?
Well, Matt, we found a lot of interest, obviously, in asset allocation products such as target date funds. And what we're finding is that managers are increasingly gravitating towards REITs to help increase their exposure to real estate and also provide some diversification in these portfolios. I also worked on another feature that I really enjoyed, and that was looking at how General Growth Properties, one of the REIT industry's oldest and most recognizable names, was remade following some financial trouble back in 2008. I talked with a lot of the architects on the legal and financial side to see exactly how they put this whole big company back together again after it was almost split into a lot of different pieces.
Similar to the rise that you wrote about related to GGP, we also have a feature on the rise of Renter Nation. In that feature, we talk about how the demand factors and the fundamentals in the residential sector are really bolstering what multifamily REITs are doing, both now as well as in the long term, and how that's going to change the need for new supply and how some of those products are configured.
And Matt, a good chunk of that financing for multifamily expansion will probably come from the mortgage-backed securities market. In our one-on-one feature, we interviewed Michael Farrell, CEO of Annalee Capital Management, to see where he thinks the market's heading, as well as talk with him a little bit about his unique background and how he became CEO of one of the largest mortgage REITs in the industry.
And also in this issue, we talk about 2 companies that are also forging their own unique path, Digital Realty Trust and Americold Realty. Digital Realty Trust has been at the forefront of the data center business since its IPO in 2004. The company now has nearly 100 properties in its portfolio. And Americold Realty Trust is another company heating up. The company is the only REIT that specializes in temperature-controlled warehouses for frozen and chilled products. The company has 182 properties right now in the U.S., but it sees its business model translating well across the world. The current issue of REIT Magazine is available online at REIT.com as well as in print. And right now we're hard at work on our July-August issue, which will feature extensive coverage of sustainability in the REIT and commercial real estate industry. And be sure to stay tuned to REIT.com for our coverage of REIT Week 2011. We'll have extensive interviews with industry players, as well as replays of sessions and coverage throughout the event.